Today I'm with Bob Gerlach, manager of our Alain Pinel Palo Alto office. Hi Bob, how's it going?
Fine, how are you?
Doing real well, thank you. Well, I also want to thank you for chatting with us today, and I've noticed things are pretty busy here in the local marketplace. Tell us a little bit about Palo Alto. What's happening in the real estate markets?
Well, Palo Alto marketplace is hot.
That's what I've heard.
If you read any of the newspapers, they're all talking about Palo Alto and what's going on in this market area. It's so unusual because some of the areas surrounding us are still struggling a little bit because of the economy, but Palo Alto's real estate market is very strong.
Wow, that's fantastic. Well, I've heard something, someone was telling me about multiple offers. Are you seeing that?
Almost all of our listings have multiple offers. Just as we speak, as a matter of fact, we're listing to multiple offers on one of our listings that came out last week for $1.3 million. It's a smaller home in Midtown Palo Alto, and we have 10 offers on it.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Well, what would the average sales price be in this area?
Well, I just did those statistics. It's about $1.6 million.
Ah, okay, all righty. And where are a lot of the buyers coming from? I mean, what?
Well, a lot of our market is being generated from what's going on in Silicon Valley. A lot of tech companies that are in the process of going public. So we have a lot of those employees buying homes. But also we have a large foreign element coming from China. And a lot of these people are coming over with lots of cash and are ready to buy property because they believe in this area as an investment.
I see. Well, what makes Palo Alto so special? Why are people flocking here?
You know, I get that question a lot. I think it stems originally from Stanford. You know, Stanford has a lot of press throughout the world, but a lot of these people, especially the high-tech venture capitalists and starters of companies, perhaps went to Stanford and came back here to either have the base for their company or to settle down and have their kids go to some of the finest schools in the nation.
Yeah. Well, that certainly makes sense. Well, in looking in your crystal ball, what does the next year portend? What do you see for next year?
Well, I don't want to just sound like the eternal optimist, but I'd say what we have going and the track record of Palo Alto means that the next 2 years are going to be very strong. So it's going to continue, especially with these companies that are going to be going public in the next couple months.
Wow, that's fantastic. Well, Bob, I wish you continued success to both you and your agents, and thanks for chatting with us today.
All right, thank you.